What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is another video of getting the Canam prepped for Glamis. But before I get into anything first, we need to move the Roush so we can pull the Canam out and park it right here. Let's go ahead and get a nice cold start on that. Alrighty, so now what are the couple things that we need to do? So I finally, as you can see, I finally got a light bar. It's already all mounted, it's just not wired up yet. Obviously I need to run the wiring and everything. So I actually got the light bar from my cousin because he got a different cage. So got a nice light bar right there. And also another thing we got are whips. I just got these little 3-foot whips for now. Nothing crazy. I just want to get the season started this year because the ones I want will take a while to get here. So as you can see, put them in there. There you go. There they are. Whips, about 2-foot whips. So what do we got to do today? Wire the light bar, wire the whip things here so we can have lights. Also, I got another amp for the subwoofer, and I got 2 rear speakers. The amp is right here, 1200 watt amp. These are what I got, the Rockville roll bar mounting speakers from Rockville. Not badly priced on Amazon at all. I already opened it up. Yes, I did already open it up because I was too excited. Which, honestly, oh, damn, I need 2 hands to pull this out. Not bad at all. Perfect sized. I was gonna go with 6.5, but looking at the way this is right here, I don't think I'll be able to. I could fit 6.5s, but I have the ice chest in the way and it's gonna be really weird. But this is probably gonna get mounted somewhere, probably right here, or just I have, as if you can see, I have that's interfering. I may be able to put them right there in the middle too. We'll figure it out because I still got a lot more stuff to mount. I got a fire extinguisher. I just got so much to do. And Glamis is maybe, what, 2.5, 3 weeks away? 2.5 or 3 weeks away? I don't know. It's coming up quick. And let's go ahead, start the time lapse of ripping everything out.
You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home.
Alrighty, so I got them mounted. Pain in the butt. Day 2 on doing this, just got out of work. Came straight home, decided to finish this up. So, what do we got to do? Clean up the rat's nest, mount the switches in the switch place right here, and then actually mount and screw down the amps. Now for this right here, the easiest thing I have found out to use is a razor blade. I have used something that's not a razor blade and it's just jacked it all up, and you can tell that switch is a little crooked. So cool things that it's already outlined, so it makes it a little easier. But enough talking, trying to beat the daylight here. Let's go ahead, get the holes cut, switches mounted, amps screwed down and mounted. Then we can start on everything else, but for now, let's finish this up. Alright, so I got all the switches mounted. I haven't mounted or covered any of those wires yet for the stereo, which I am right now after this. I installed let's move the seat forward. I installed the cover for the like the belt silencer cover thingy. Installed that right there. Go ahead and turn on the whips and the rock lights. I'm not gonna turn on the rear chase lights or the light bar because it's too bright right now. What was that? All the way. Oh, that looks really good. For the light bar, for the rock lights, let's go ahead and do style. Let's do rainbow pulsing. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I'm quite happy with this. Like, I'm actually very happy. So, honestly, I think right now I'm gonna throw the roof on. Yeah, throw the roof on because I think I'm pretty much done. Alrighty, guys. So last time you guys saw me, I think I had just installed the window nets. It was late last night when I finished that. It was almost 10 p.m. and I was tired. So, but today it's taking me 3 days, 2.5 days to finish this. But today, hopefully, is a long stretch. I got to remove the driver's side seat because I got to fix my right seat belt on the bottom. It's not strapped in properly. Also, I got to rearrange the subwoofer. What else do I got to do? Pretty much it, really. Oh, I did get new door handles, so I'm gonna install those soon too. But after this, I think it's just pretty much mounting everything, fixing all that, fixing the wiring that's on the other side of this, and we're on the home stretch. So yeah, let's get to it. Stop talking. I don't want to waste any more time. I want to have this thing finished today. So all we gotta do is oil change, swap tires over, and she's dune ready. So let's get going. Stop talking.
You've been lost and alone in the city at lights. I know, getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'll never let you go. You've been lost and alone in the city at lights. I know, but I will guide you home.
Alright, so I don't know if you guys saw through the time lapse, but I did not actually record. It was just time lapse the whole time. But as if you can see, the whole Canam is finally back together. What did I do? Well, my dad actually installed the handles for me, so those are done. We're gonna trim this up so we can still have the cover, but there are the door handles. Stereo system gave us a big headache after. Come to find out, the subwoofer I had actually went bad, which was a Scar 10-inch, and the amp went bad. It just stopped pushing anything out. So gonna return the amp. I actually went to Best Buy and picked up a Kicker Comp C, I think it says. Yeah, just for now. It actually sounds pretty good. The other speakers are great. The other sound stream is still fine. Oh, since the amp went out, I ended up installing a car amp Alpine that I had. Now, is this permanent? No. I'm gonna redo all of it. I already got the proper stuff on order. I just want to get this trip to Glamis finished and done with. Light bars finished, whips are installed and lit up. The flag mounts I ended up installing are right there. Trying to see if I can see them. All right there. So, ready for the flags. What else? Oh, yes, also the belt intake silencer thingy is now installed also, as if you can see. Also in, drilled it in the back here, cut that out very nicely. Here are my whips, but that's all done. Fire extinguisher, which is a necessity, is actually installed right there. Kind of out of the way, easy to grab, comes out real simple, slides in. I can slide it back in like nothing. So Canam, I believe, is ready for Glamis now. We are actually loading them up right now because it's actually gonna go to my dad's shop and get the oil changes done, and then on the weekend we're gonna install the paddle tires. But she is ready. I think that's gonna finish up today's video. I am tired. It is hot. Time to load this up, get the oil change done. Glamis is literally a week away. So today was the day where I was like, screw it, I need to get it done. Doesn't matter as long as I have it and it's ready for Glamis. It's ready for Glamis. Stereo system's ready. Everything is ready to go. So if you guys are new, please like, subscribe. I know this video was everywhere and all over the place, but at least you got the concept of getting the car prepped for Glamis. But if you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so anytime we upload, you guys will know. And remember guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you guys in the next one.